If you want to check your total playtime on Epic Games Launcher, and even quickly scan the playtime for all your games at once, including titles you may have already uninstalled, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is a super useful trick if you want to track how much time you've spent in each game, compare your library, or simply see your most played titles without opening each game individually. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you stay updated whenever I post a new guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign in if needed. Once you're inside, you'll want to go straight to your library. This is where all of your Epic Games titles are listed, including games you currently have installed and games you've removed from your PC, but still own on your account. By default, your library may appear in a large tile or graphic view. That layout looks nice, but it is not the best option if you want to see information like playtime quickly. So the next step is to switch your library view into a list layout. Look at the top right area of your game grid. You should see a toolbar section with a few view options. Find the bulleted list icon and click it. This will change the display from large game tiles into a more compact text-based list. Once you switch to this view, it becomes much easier to compare your games side by side and scan important details at a glance. Now that your library is in list view, look toward the right side of the screen. You should see a column labeled Time Played. This is the key section you're looking for because it shows how long you've played each game on your Epic account. If you have a long library, you can scroll through the list and check the total playtime for each game one by one. This makes it much easier to see your most played games, your least played games, and even titles you barely touched. It's also helpful if you want to keep track of your gaming habits or decide which games are worth revisiting. If the time played column is not immediately visible, make sure you are still in the list interface and that your window is wide enough to show the full columns. Sometimes, simply adjusting the launcher window can help reveal more information on screen. And that's it. That is the quickest way to check total playtime on Epic Games Launcher using the list view and the time played column. It's simple, clean, and perfect if you want to scan all of your games in one place without digging through each title separately. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.